So today, so we have a 10-pack of strip discs for rust and paint remover by LAIWOO. So now I've been waiting and dying to try these. I've been dying and dying because man, these are going to be a game changer. I'm doing a couple projects and I really need to strip paint. So I was looking on the internet. I was scouring like I usually do, and I was on Amazon, which I find almost everything I need. And then I found these. So, like I said, these are by LAIWOO, and these are paint strippers. Very abrasive, 4-inch, 5/8 thick, and they're for stripping paint. That's all they do, rust and paint. They love rust and paint. That's their primary goal. Now, they got the 5/8 hole for the grinder. Okay, I gotta show these off. Because, man, that is awesome. And it says LAIWOO in the back. But, yeah, 5/8 thick, 4-inch disc. They fit the 4.5-inch angle grinders. And their main job all day long is to strip paint. So I got a couple projects that I really need to strip the paint, and I was sanding on it and going, no, I can't do that. I have to get something that will strip the paint. So this is a 10-pack. You get 10-pack, very awesome deal, budget friendly. My pocket doesn't hurt when I bought these. That's always a plus. So let's see what they do and what they look like on a grinder. So there's your 10-pack. They come in 2 different deals. So they're going to go on like so. That's going to tighten on like so. So everything fits as it should. So I'm going to, where's my tool? Right here. Tighten this down, because you definitely don't want it coming off. Now, the max speed for this is going to be 1,300 RPMs, and your minimum speed is going to be 9,900. That's your average range on using this. Battery. Always need the battery. So, nice little 10-pack. There's that 13, and boy, I want to go try this out. Let's go see what kind of chaos we can cause with this. We're trying out this disc for the first time. Nice. Nice. Nice.